Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to reduce support tickets and let customers find answers instantly? Let me show you how to build a knowledge base in Zendesk. First, make sure you have the right permissions. You need to be a knowledge admin to create articles. In the Admin Center, go to Knowledge. If your Help Center isn't active yet, turn it on. This is where your articles will live. Now, organize your content. Create categories for broad topics like billing or technical support. Inside each category, create sections for specific topics like payment methods or troubleshooting. To add your first article, click the Add button and select Article. Write a clear title and use the editor to add step-by-step instructions. Keep it simple, short paragraphs, numbered steps, and screenshots work best. In the right sidebar, set who can view and edit this article. For public FAQs, select Visible to Everyone. Add labels to help with search. Before publishing, test the article. Search for it in your Help Center. Does it answer the question clearly? If not, refine it. For 2026, Zendesk also offers AI-powered features. Use content queues to see which articles need updates, or AI Knowledge Builder to generate drafts from your past tickets. And that's it. A well-organized knowledge base helps customers find answers on their own and keeps your support team focused on complex issues. If you build a knowledge base, let me know your top article in the comments. See you in the next one.